All right, so now I'm in the truck. I'm going to go ahead and install the monitor to my rearview mirror. And also, I want to show you guys what I have right now that I'm actually using. So I'm actually using the tire minder. And I'm also using one of the older versions of the Halo products, which is the Haloview RD7 range dominator. It's definitely been a good monitor. Unfortunately, it's not a touchscreen monitor. So this system right here, the BT10, is going to replace the TPMS, which is my time minder, and my old Haloview RD7. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the monitor onto the rearview mirror. Okay, here's the installation of the monitor onto my rearview mirror. It wasn't difficult at all. I used the actual rubber straps that actually came with the actual monitor and to include on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Type-C cable. I'm not going to use a cigarette lighter, so I have a little power pack here. And now I'm just going to run it, make a clean installation around the molding, come back this way, and then plug it in right here. So that way you won't see too many wires. All right, let's go ahead and get the wires installed. I just finished up installing the wires, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the monitor of the Haloview BT10. Let's see what we got here. So far, so good. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still paired to my rear view camera, which is located in the kitchen of my RV, and this side right here is the front camera. So if you touch the screen one time, you get the whole view of the front camera. If you touch it again, and let's say you go over here and touch the rear view camera, you get the whole view of the rear view camera. I kind of like this setup, the feature when you go split. I kind of like that, so that way you can see, you know, the front camera as you're driving, and also see the rear of your camper.